Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Tana, and welcome to Crypto Bible. Sorry, I'm getting this video a little bit out a little bit late this morning, but I was waiting to see how this would actually develop. I was waiting for an article to come out, and we sure did get one. And it's pretty big news, and you might be sitting there thinking, what the heck? Because obviously the UK has been going through quite a lot in regards to cryptocurrency, but of course, it's mainly regulation related to exchanges and not cryptocurrency itself. Although, every time a bank does start banning cryptocurrency into exchanges, their main reason is because they want to keep your money safe. And now we've got news that the UK is basically like one step closer to adopting digital currency. What the heck? And to be honest with you, it kind of comes does it come as a shock? I don't really know. Only reason is because a lot of the time, some of the opinions out there was the fact that banks are probably accumulating themselves. Financial institutions are accumulating themselves. They just don't want the regular retail investor to be making money. Is that an argument? I'm not too sure. But now we're getting news that the UK is one step closer to adoption. We'll get into the article now, but before we do, please be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe if you haven't already, and ensure your notifications are turned on. And let's just get straight into this one, guys. So you guys might know this guy. You guys might not know this guy. Gives away a lot of money. So Rishi Sunak launches task force on Bank of England digital currency. So Chancellor says move is one of measures designed to boost City after UK's Brexit departure from EU. A Bank of England digital currency for the UK has moved a step closer after Chancellor Rishi Sunak announced a top-level task force to explore the benefits and risks of the idea. Sunak said a joint Treasury Bank of England task force was being set up as part of a range of measures designed to boost the city following Britain's departure from the EU. Speaking at the Financial Industry Conference, the Chancellor said a task force jointly led by the bank's Deputy Governor for Financial Stability, John Cunliffe, and the Treasury Director General of Financial Services, Catherine Braddock, would coordinate exploratory work. Sunak said he wanted the city to be at the forefront of innovation and to take advantage of regulatory freedom after Brexit. One thing I keep seeing come up, I don't know if you guys have realized, the word innovation keeps popping up every single time. Whenever someone is adopting digital currency, crypto, Bitcoin, wherever it may be, the word is innovation and it keeps coming up, right? So, you could tell that crypto is definitely going the right way. We even saw it yesterday in the news regarding Watford, chairman even coming out and saying innovation. So, it's definitely going the right way, and it is just regulatory issues in regards to exchange, which is putting everyone off, really. Not everyone off, but it's just frustrating everyone in the UK. That's just what needs to be sorted, man. That's just what needs to be sorted. Binance, man, get your stuff together. So the Treasury said 2 new forums would be established to engage technical experts and key stakeholders, including financial institutions, retailers, businesses, civil society groups, and consumers. With the decline in the use of cash and the increased prominence of cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, there has been heightened interest among policymakers about the viability of central bank digital currencies. Sunak is also keen to show the city will remain a global financial center despite the loss of jobs, businesses that has occurred as a result of Brexit. No special provisions were made for the financial services sector in the deal concluded between London and Brussels late last year. Threadneedle Street said no decision has been made, but the CBDC would represent a new form of digital money that it would issue for use by households and businesses. It would exit alongside cash and bank deposits rather than replacing them, he added. The bank added that the task force would engage widely with stakeholders on the benefits, risks, and practicalities. So basically, they're kind of looking to do something. Maybe even something similar to what El Salvador done, actually adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender. I mean, we're just discussing there, he wants it to be used in every household and businesses. Are we going down the route of that? Is that what's actually happening here? Because that would be pretty cool if it was. But again, we'd have to wait for further developments on this actual story. But once again, digital currencies, Bitcoin, crypto is being discussed widely in regards to adoption, and in the UK as well. It's going the right way. Things are getting exciting. The market's now reversing, hence why all of this good news is coming out. It's got to be because of that. But yeah, there you go. I mean, it's getting pretty exciting. So we'll have to see how this does develop eventually. So in a sign that official digital currency for the UK remains some way off, the bank said it worked with the Treasury would coordinate exploration of objectives, opportunities, and risks of a potential UK CBDC, guide evaluation of the design features a CBDC must display to achieve its intended goals, support a rigorous, coherent, and comprehensive assessment of the overall case for a UK CBDC, monitor international CBDC's developments to ensure the UK remains forefront of the global innovation. Sunak said his proposals would enhance the UK's competitive advantage in fintech, the use of technology designed to make the delivery of financial services product more efficient. These would include helping firms to scale up and use of a sandbox, a testing environment to explore financial products that would help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Our vision is our vision is for a more open, greener, and more technologically advanced financial services sector. He said the UK is already known for being at the forefront of innovation, but we need to go further. The steps I've outlined today to boost growing fintechs, push the boundaries of digital finance, and make our financial markets more efficient will propel us forward. And if we can capture the extraordinary potential of technology, we'll cement the UK's position as a world's preeminent financial center. So there you go, man. Kind of came out of nowhere, that news, really. That is really, really big, and pretty excited, to be fair. Pretty excited to see how that's going to develop. Obviously, our guy, everyone's been like secretly coming out and explaining, just like on the sly, that they're in cryptocurrency. Like, who isn't in cryptocurrency right now? Out of all of the big players, I guarantee you, everyone holds cryptocurrency. They know where this thing is going. They know it's taking over. Innovation, again, I'll use the word again. Innovation is here. Cryptocurrency is taking over. And, these banks are trying their hardest to try and control what the normal retail investor is doing with their money to ensure that we do not make money. It will happen every single time, guys. It will happen every single time. Now, the good thing is, I do personally believe that this dip that we were in is over. I do believe that we're going to be grinding our way up. I was saying all along, between mid to end July is when I was looking at for things to start recovering. We are getting it. We've got to be patient still. We're slowly grinding our way up. We're seeing a few pops here and there from some cryptos. But, what I'm basically trying to say is the more this thing goes up, the more good news is going to come out. The more people will begin FOMOing in. So just be careful. Okay. Anyway, that's going to cover it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. There'll be a video coming out midday for you guys. Another very educational video. I hope you enjoyed the one yesterday, which was what is crypto. If you haven't watched that, please be sure to watch it. I'll leave a link right there for you guys to have a quick watch of that. And there'll be another one coming out at midday today. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure your notifications are turned on, and join the Discord. The link is in the description below, guys, and I'll see you very soon. Take it easy.